All right, we out here. It's hot. Okay, don't have AC in here. Clearly, got the door open. It does not do a damn thing. It's like 90 degrees outside, legit. Finally, gonna install this harness here. Install them coils there. Sail into my dirty ass garage. It's dirty. That means you use it, right? Yeah. Right? So we're gonna time lapse this. I'm gonna slap this baby in here, and we're gonna start her up with AEM smart coils. My bad, guys. I totally forgot to film all this, but I am really hot right now and super stressed out because I just had to go through all my coils and everything to make sure everything was working, because it would only run on like 5 cylinders. 4, actually. But as you guys can hear and see, he's running. Oh my god, and it sounds and feels like it's more responsive too. Alright boys, it's officially running on the AEM Smart Coils. I hope that my harness instruction video helped you guys, and I hope you guys actually sat through this. If you're seeing this before you see my how-to, literally the how-to videos, part 1 and 2, are right before this video. So you guys can go watch that to see how I made my harness. Everything is all pretty, and it's just great. But we're gonna go drive this and see if my rev limiter is actually at 8,000, or if it's just fucking with me like it was before. And we're gonna see if I blow spark out after 20 pounds of boost. So I just did a pull right here, and this fucker legit does go to 8,000 RPMs now. So let's just go. Holy fuck. Baby, those people outside were really upset. Alright boys, this is gonna be a fairly short video. I just wanted to get the coil system in. I've been having a little bit of synchronizing issues with the ECU, but it's no big deal. Gonna get it all figured out. But yeah, this fucker is insane. Dude, it is like actually faster than it was with the wasted spark setup, and it's not even turned up, and this fucker is like, that's at 19 pounds. My god. If you guys like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and comment, let me know what you think, because 8,000 RPMs is absolutely fantastic, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.